In furniture manufacturing, there is a lot of complexity in the sales quoting process. Much of that is due to having such highly customizable products, but also because of the fluctuation in material prices, as well as the ever-evolving design preferences and trends within the industry. I'm Carrie with the CPQ experts at Renaissance Tech. Today we will be talking about furniture manufacturers and how they can utilize a product configurator to simplify and improve accuracy within their sales quoting and ordering process. At Renaissance Tech, we help our customers leverage Infor CPQ as a product configurator that can take the guesswork out of quoting for salespeople, dealers, or other end customers. You can configure a couch all the way down to the tiniest grommet while also calculating crate sizes and freight charges. If you're a furniture manufacturer who is not yet using CPQ as part of your sales and manufacturing process, you're leaving a lot on the table, and here are several reasons why. Number 1, product visualizations. When you're utilizing Infor CPQ's 3D visualization, you're allowing your customers to see the product in real time as it's being configured. Allowing this real-time visual representation of a product eliminates errors and misunderstandings from the quoting process. Customers who can see exactly what they're purchasing become more confident in their purchasing decision. This can lead to faster sales cycles and increases in deal size, as well as an overall enrichment of the customer quoting and ordering experience. Number 2, consistent and accurate pricing. We get it. Fluctuating material costs or design variations can complicate pricing. You can store your pricing within Infor CPQ or pull it out of an ERP or wherever else you may get your pricing from currently. This allows dynamic pricing capabilities that adjust based on the customizations chosen, ensuring that every quote is always accurate, consistent, and in line with current market conditions. This leads right into a third point, boosted sales efficiency. The furniture industry is no stranger to a lengthy sales process, especially for custom pieces. CPQ is your ticket to speeding things up. You can instantly generate quotes even for the most complex of orders, leading to quicker conversions and happier customers. Number 4, analytics on quotes and orders. Knowledge is power, and with Infor CPQ, you're armed with insights. The software accumulates data throughout the sales process. Want to know which designs are most popular or which materials are seeing a surge in demand? Or maybe even want to see which of your sales reps is selling the most of a certain product? Infor CPQ provides that data with Burst Analytics, which comes with your CPQ purchase, allowing you to proactively make data-driven decisions on your offerings and your strategies. And finally, number 5, scaling with ease. Planning to expand your product range or reach a broader audience? CPQ is ready to grow with you. You can handle more product variations, intricate customizations, and a growing customer base without missing a beat. With Infor CPQ, you have the ability to start as small as you want and allow the tool to grow with your business. To put it bluntly, every moment that you're not using CPQ in your business, you're making a compromise on efficiency, accuracy, and growth opportunities. Your business deserves a competitive edge. After all, the goal isn't just keeping up with the competition or keeping up with the times. The goal is to stay ahead. If you're in the process of exploring potential product configurators for your business and you'd like to talk with us, please reach out, contact@renaissancetech.com. We'll be happy to help with your project.